Audio video recording of a court proceeding should not be picked up and distorted in the social media. So what is happening, and I'll give you some very, very glaring examples and it will make it clear. During Diwali time last year, there were Diwali messages floating where the Happy Diwali came after the shoe throwing by that person on the Chief Justice of India. So the shoe was thrown and it was saying Happy Diwali. Similarly, this lawyer who used very abusive and filthy language in the Court of Justice K.V. Vishwanathan recently during the vacation was also floating as if this particular lawyer is a hero and you know what he did was something great service to the nation by denigrating the institution that is the Supreme Court. Now, I'm not saying Supreme Court is without its failures. I'm not saying that this is not that Supreme Court that doesn't need to take corrective action. But at the same time, it is also very important that the people should not lose faith in the institution. Damaging the credibility of the institution will ultimately affect the strength of our democracy, because our democracy is dependent upon a fair judiciary, a fair media. Now, media, of course, we all know is to quite an extent compromised, but at least don't do the same thing with the judiciary also, that people lose faith in the judiciary as well. And then there will be no recourse, because if there is no media reporting and there is no redress in courts, then you can understand that there is nobody after this to take care of your problem. If the government is the aggressor and if the government is the one who's trying to affect your fundamental rights or your other rights, then it is only the courts which will come in your... So we have to keep the image of the institution intact, and for that purpose we should not make them a laughing stock. And the social media is exactly doing that. So I think the idea is not to curtail social media, but to not only permit them to straight away upload the videos of the recording, and that too without the permission of the Secretary General of the Supreme Court or the Registrar General of the High Court. So it's only that very limited ban has been imposed, and not affecting the working of the social media in any manner whatsoever.